water and other supplies flying off the shelf. Deborah LaCanta and her daughter Tori lining up for sandbags and getting ready to evacuate.
Yes, I've been here 20 years and you don't wait. You just have to go.
Idalia now passing through the gap between Cuba and the Yucatan Peninsula, fueled by the warmest Gulf of Mexico water temps on record.
If it wobbles west, you're looking at Tallahassee's going to end up getting impacted. If it wobbles east, you're going to see more severe impacts here in the Tampa Bay area. So all this is in play right now.
North of Tampa, up to 12 feet of storm surge expected. Residents in Cedar Key taking it seriously.
It's Cat 3 now. 105 cold temperature, get 5 by the time it hits us.
Idalia is said to be the first major hurricane to impact Florida since monster Category 4 Ian made landfall last September. With winds of 150 miles an hour, it decimated barrier islands and killed at least 150 people.
Rob Marciano live in Florida tonight. Rob, you and I have talked so much about the warm waters of the Gulf this year and what this could bring, and I know you've studied the track tonight just in. Take us through the timing here.
All right, David. Well, it's gathering strength and it's gathering forward speed in our direction. Because of that, hurricane warnings have now been extended from Sarasota all the way to Apalachicola and points inland. The center of this just to the west of Cuba, and we'll get into the Gulf of Mexico later on tonight. Those warm waters, that's the fuel. We expect rapid intensification to a Cat 1, a Cat 2, a Cat 3 by Wednesday morning. That's when landfall will occur somewhere around Cedar Key, give or take 100 miles. And then into the Carolinas, Savannah, you're going to get some of this action too. All right, rain, wind, and storm surge are big issues, especially here in this part of the Gulf, up to 12 feet of it. Hurricane Franklin, meanwhile, is just a beast, a Category 4, 145 mile an hour winds. Look at that eye. It will miss Bermuda, but it's bringing life-threatening surf and rip currents to the U.S. Meanwhile, here in Florida, urgency to prepare is ramping up tonight. David?
We'll stay on this all week long. Rob